Good morning. I'm HS राघव फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. कल शिक्षक दिवस है, टीचर्स डे. वैसे तो हम सब लोग ही जानते हैं कि हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे शिक्षक गण हम सबको गाइड करते हुए एक ऐसी जगह पर ले जाने का प्रयास करते हैं जिसमें हमको सफलता के अलावा जीवन के वो सारी चीज़ों का ज्ञान प्राप्त हो जाए जिससे हम अच्छा जीवन व्यतीत कर सकें. लेकिन अब जब कोरोना का पेंडेमिक से हम गुजर चुके हैं तो हमको ये पता चला है कि हमारे टीचर्स सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं करते हैं, हमारे शिक्षकगण सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं करते हैं कि वो हमको ज्ञान देकर गाइड करके एक अच्छी जगह पहुंचा सकें. वो अपने आप में इतने सक्षम होते हैं कि ऐसे बुरे समय में भी वो अपने आप को इतनी जल्दी, इतनी स्पीड से इवॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एक तरह से जिन हमारे टीचर्स को पहले कंप्यूटर का ज्ञान लगभग ना के बराबर था, बहुत सारे हमारे शिक्षकगण टीचर्स ऐसे थे जो कंप्यूटर नहीं जानते थे, लैपटॉप नहीं जानते थे, टैबलेट नहीं जानते थे, माउस का लेफ्ट क्लिक राइट क्लिक क्या होता है नहीं जानते थे. वो समय आने पर, आवश्यकता महसूस होने पर इतनी जल्दी से इन सब चीजों में प्रवीण हो गए कि हम सब लोगों को यह भी पता नहीं चला कि इनको इतना ट्रेनिंग किसने दिया. ये तो खुद ही ट्रेनर्स हैं, ये हमको ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, तो इनको इतना ट्रेनिंग किसने दिया जो कंप्यूटर की पूरी नॉलेज इनको मिल गई. पीपीटी बनाना सीख गए, डिजिटल कंटेंट बनाना सीख गए, उसको डिलीवर करना सीख गए. तो ऐसे सारे टीचरों को अगर हम टीचर्स डे पर भी याद करके उनको नमन नहीं करते हैं तो ये फिर हमारा एक तरह से दुर्भाग्य ही होगा. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू. दिस टाइम, pandemic time, we have been seeing the services of many of our friends from our society like doctors, nurses, other paramedical staff, corporation staff, administration staff who are going home to home and overseeing the quarantine activities, overseeing the testing things and things like that. Our police personnel who are doing arrangements, who are managing all these things in this difficult timings. But somehow we must have not been able to give enough time to think about our teachers during this time. Our teachers whom we used to think they are in comfortable zone, they don't want to do this, they don't want to do that, they don't want to change themselves as per the timing. Suddenly we saw, without anybody telling, I repeat, without management telling, parents telling, students telling, our teachers, our honorable teachers have come out with so many new things so that to help their students. Look at the attachment, look at the emotional levels of our teachers, that they have been wanting, without understanding when corona will go, when the numbers will come down, when it will subside, when the students would be able to come to schools and things like that. Even the government does not know how our teachers would know. Our teachers came out with some methodology called online classes, for which almost 40% guys are saying why, how, why not, and no, how this is useful and things like that. But our teachers had been very responsibly, very successfully engaging their students for something which is called teaching learning. I am not saying that they have been doing it perfectly as like physical class, but what I am saying, they have been trying to engage them. Believe me, if you are a swimmer, you go and do swimming for 6 months and don't do it for another 6, 7, 8 months. When you go to swimming after 8 months, swimming would not be the same what you were doing the time before that break. Accordingly, the learning teaching is also the same thing. So our students, if you leave them for 5, 6, 7 months without even small teaching learning process, it would be very difficult for them. It will be very difficult for teachers and parents to bring them to starting position. And hence I am saying the online classes, digital classes, whatever our teachers have been doing. That is a big work, big task they have been doing. I salute all my teachers. They say, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने जो गोविंद दियो बताए. It is said, when God and teacher both are standing, even then I would go to my teacher first, because it is she who would guide me to reach and meet God. थैंक यू सो मच. शिक्षक दिवस की सभी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद, हार्दिक बधाई. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.